Hello everybody, my name is Tyler Jordan and welcome to a very quick tutorial on how to make a lyrical animation using the Saber plugin from Video Copilot. This is the finished result. And that's it, so let's just jump right in. First things first, we'll just make a new composition. Call this background, so that's black. Let's go ahead and put some text in there. I use Gotham because it's a very thin text. Let's just say line 1. We're going to hold down Control Home to center it. Alright, once it's centered, we'll just increase it. We're gonna Control Alt Home to center it vertical, and then Control Home again. And then, okay, so we're gonna make a few keyframes. Text, source. We're gonna make the comp 10 seconds long if you haven't already. Just gonna go to 3 seconds in, double click, change it so it goes 1 to 2, 3, 4, good enough, 4. Just kind of move it like this, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're gonna find Saber by typing Saber, drag it in, and then custom core. We're going to change it to text layer and make sure it's this layer, which is line 1. So the next thing we're going to do is put a solid composite and put that on top. There it is. We're going to just quickly pick one of these. I picked Proton. And then changes from one to the next, to the next, to the next. And all I am going to do now is scale it so it goes up. And the opacity, of course. So then we're just going to scale it up from here to here. Scale it up as fade it down. We're just gonna make that 75% ease, like that. Copy paste. Make this is 75% ease, so it goes like this. 130, 0. This here. 80. So something like that. And that's pretty much it. And then of course just copy this here, put it here, copy it, paste it here, and then copy and paste it here. It's also copy and paste at the end, so it goes from one line and then to the next line and then to the next line and then to the next line. In my example, I had it crumble in. I just used a mat. I just masked it in. That's fine. So that's it. That's pretty much the tutorial. Very quick tutorial this time, and like, comment, and subscribe for new tutorials in the future, and I hope you have a good one.